this class, I'll be teaching us on how to send and how to receive and how to swap tokens. So these are the things we'll be learning in this class: sending, receiving, and swapping of tokens, receiving crypto and checking confirmations. Then the last one is swapping tokens within the wallets. All right, I'll be teaching us all of this in this module 5. All right, so let's start with sending tokens. So I think the previous class, which is on module 3, I taught us how to receive tokens. So in this particular module 5, I will teaching us first of all on how to send tokens. All right, so if we want to send token, we are still using Phantom wallet in this same class. Let me log into Phantom. All right, here is it. This is my Phantom wallet. Now I want to send token out of this wallet. Now what do I do? What do I need to send out? The first thing you have to do is to click on send. You click on send. Now what do you do after that? What do you want to send? Do you want to send Solana? Do you want to send Ethereum? Do you want to send out USDC, which is a stable coin? Do you want to send BTC? Do you want to send BTC under Taproot, BTC under native Segwit? Do you want to send Polygon? What do you want to send out? Do you want to send Sui? All right, now we want to send out Solana to this particular wallet. I'm gonna paste on this wallet. Now, the first thing you have to do is to paste the recipient's Solana address. Now, I have the recipient Solana address. The recipient must have sent his or her Solana address to you. Then, how much do you want to send out? How much do you want to send out? So you are going to input the amount you are going to send out. In this particular video, I'll be sending out, let's say, 39 cents. All right, 39 cents. Then you click on next. It said this is not an address. So I've not interacted with this particular address. So that is the essence of the warning. So I can send it. Then the recipient will receive the Solana. All right, so this is how to send out Solana. This is how to send. So as you can see, now if I should refresh, can you see after refreshing, the balance has changed? All right, so guys, that is how to send token. Now how to receive token. So the next thing you are going to do, I just want to put us on again on how to receive token. So how to receive token, what we are going to do is come to this home. This is home button. Click on the home button to take you back to home. You click on receive, then you copy the address of the particular token that you want to receive. Do you want to receive base? Do you want to receive Ethereum? Do you want to receive Sui? Anyone you want to receive, from the sender. So you copy the address. Now, let's say I just copy this address. So it is Solana I want to receive. All right. So that is how to send and how to receive token. All right. The next one is how to receive crypto and checking confirmations. All right, so I want to the last one I'll be teaching us is how to swap. So I have a link where I will teach us. I have a link, very reliable link, so where I will teach us on how to swap. All right, we are done We have done sending, we have done receiving. So I think the next one is how to swap. All right, let me go. The first thing you are going to do, we have plenty means of swapping, but the one that is the cheapest is the best actually. Now, if I want to swap via my decentralized wallet, it's more expensive. But what do I do? I can just say, okay, there is a link which is relay dots. There is a site where we usually swap, relay dots link. Then click enter. When you click enter, now it's still loading. It's still loading. Now the next thing is you are going to connect to your wallet. Now as you can see on the screen, connect wallet. Still trying to load. Connect wallet. You click on connect wallet. Click on connect. It's network. Now, what network, what wallet do you want to connect? Now, before you connect wallet, the wallet must have been added to your extension. Now, these are the wallets on my extension. I think the only wallet on my extension right now is Phantom. I can just connect my Phantom. I may just say, okay, I want to connect my MetaMask. I want to connect my Coinbase. I want to connect my Wallet Connect, my Souffle, my Trust Wallet, my Rainbow, my anyone you want to connect, OKX, and etc. etc. All right. Right now, here I want to connect my Phantom wallet. I can just say you want to use your ledger. So under Solana, anyone. So click on Solana. Now the wallet is connected, as you can see. So here's my details and all. The wallet is connected. Then what do? You want to say this is sell, this is buy. Now the token you are holding is the sell. So I should change this to Solana, since I am holding Solana on this wallet. Now this is Solana. Now to what's X that is what token do I want to swap to? Let's say I want to swap to base. Let's pick base. This is base under what? This is base network under Ethereum. This is Ethereum base. Now, base is a network under Ethereum chain. Do we get that? Now, Solana. Solana is a token, is also an altcoin, and Solana is also a network. Now we now have Solana, we now have some network under Solana. We have Bonk, we have Pump, we have Jupiter, and so on and so forth. Now, same thing with Ethereum. We have Ethereum. Now we have Ethereum main network. We also have some network also under Ethereum, which are Base, Arbitrum, and so on and so forth. All right. Now, what do I want to do? Now, let's say I want to bridge or I want to swap. Now, what we want to do in this place is I basically want to show us how to swap with minimum gas fee. Now, all right, use your relay.link and all. Now you want to swap to base. You want to swap to base, then what do? You click on this, you select base. Now the next thing is we want to swap. So do you want to swap with this particular amount, $1.18? Then this is amount we are going to receive, 1.07. So minimum gas fee. Then you swap. Trying to confirm. Then you wait to confirm it. Still loading. So this is where we are going to confirm the transaction. Confirm, swap, then done. Successful. So this is how we send, we receive, then we swap. So as you can see, I've taught us on how to send, how to receive, how to swap token. Then swapping token within the wallet. This is what we just did right now. So we swap from Solana to Ethereum, which is network Honda base network, Ethereum based. All right, so this will be the end of the class for this module. Thank you.